What's up guys, it is Jordan from Awesome Motoring here, back again at the garage, and we are with part 3 of trying to get this Miata running. I just came back from the shop and I got degreaser, and we degreased the 20-year-old oil pan in there, if it'll focus today. Yeah, degreased the 20-year-old oil pan, and I don't know if you can see that, but it looks clean, like it's actually shiny. So yeah, so that's gonna be going on, which one is going on? That one?
This one right here.
This one? Yeah, going on this motor. Well, I think either way it's just not good. Pebbles.
God, where's Skeletor when you need him? How many more views did he have on that one video?
Let's see. Let's go on TikTok. Focus on my hand, please. There you go. All right, that looks different. Why is there only one button now? Oh, okay. Peenhead 21 liked my video.
Who?
Peenhead 21. Yeah. Gotta focus. We are at 90,000.
Giving them a reason why to advertise.
Yep, 90,000 views, 22,000 likes, 298 comments, 31 shares. It's been played a total of 1,022 hours with an average of 41 seconds watch time. Like, imagine that. That's crazy.
Good.
Reach people in United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, and Sweden. That's crazy. So, guys, if you don't know, I have a TikTok. I do engine swaps on a seller Corsa. You're gonna want to follow this because we're trying to get paid to pay for more Miatas. So, follow us for the Miata fund, please. Let's see what other spots people are asking for. Alright, we're gonna see if we can clean out the oil pan, see if the water is on to clean it out, and it is. We keep moving.
You'll be making it a hard job, I tell you what. No.
Nothing. We might have to go down.
Another walk we do.
Everybody needs exercise. How we looking?
Pretty sure we're good.
A few moments later.
We're back at the garage with something a little bit not off topic, something we definitely need, but it involves wood. So let's get started. Alright, so let me explain. Basically, our friends at Reinol. Alright guys, so Jordan from the future here. So we're just making this quick thing about Reinol. They make hand cleaner. They gave us one of these to set us for us to test it out, show you guys exactly how it works. You know, it's really inexpensive, it's solvent free, you know, it's easy to use. All you have to do is push this lever to the right, like just like this, and then, you know, it's on your hand. You get a teaspoon worth, and you know, you rub it into your hands. You really go and you work it in with a drop of water, and then, you know, really work it into your hands, rub it off, you know, with some water, and feel the difference between this and, you know, you get the other brands like Gojo, or, you know, I don't know what the other ones are called, like hand lava or something like that. But yeah, this one is absolutely the best. You know, they've been working for over 100 years once again, and Honestly, you can't get any better at this. Like it doesn't dissolve your skin. It's like this is the best you can get. So yeah, you really work into your hands, you know, add some water, just keep rubbing at it. You know, it wouldn't take long at all. You could really see it. So yeah. Thanks Reinol for sending it over, and happy to be working with you guys.
A few moments later.
But that's definitely on there.
Alright, well we just need 2 more, right?
How much battery we have? That thing ain't 1 full bar.
1 full it is. If you guys haven't seen from last video, follow us on TikTok. We're almost at 7,000. I can't believe I'm saying that.
Oh yeah.
That one went a lot easier. Oh yeah.
All my years of being an apprentice from a handyman paid off. Remember, kids, do all jobs.
All of them.
No.
Woohoo!
No!
No! No!
Well, don't worry, this can be saved.
What kind of bits can save that? Oh, okay. There's nothing to grip onto the. Oh.
Don't worry, I done this for a living.
It's right here.
I must be really blind. Remember, kids, daily eye check.
Daily eye check. There you go, like butter.
Like steering wheel.
Like steering wheel?
Yeah.
How many degrees does your steering wheel have?
All of them.
Like how? You make it 2.5 turns? Yes.
I'll do all turns. The Chuck Norris of steering.
You see the wheels going back and forth.
It's a high-low.
Jeez.
Oh boy.
Alright, so we have more screws.
Good thing we bought 12.
We bought 12. Maybe we can get 1 screw and screw it in from the back, kind of like the Miata suspension. Alright, lots of pressure, lots of pressure, lots of pressure.
You can probably jump on this.
You can?
I will not do it. Alright, so next dilemma.
Alrighty. Trying to mount up the Reinol.
Oh, we should have probably got smaller screws for these. I mean, we can always cut the bolt.
Alright, sure. The rust just adds strength. Oh man, look at this. This car is my dream car.
Oh yeah.
It's got the wicker bill on it. It's got, what kind of wheels are those? $300 spoiler.
Should we ask our friendly neighborhood neighbor?
He just left. So
Oh darn it. Oh gosh darn it.
is that Ben?
Yeah.
I'm like, that's going in a little bit interestingly. I think with enough pushing we could get that in there. Oh yeah. Alright, where's that impact? Jesus. That thing is shaking this entire place.
Now that's all.
Oh yeah, that's not moving. I like your touchy. So we're just taking out the it's not the condenser, it's the intercooler. Condenser's behind that in front of the radiator. So let's see if we can get underneath and actually get that set. What are these?
Tow hooks?
Oh, the baby teeth.
Yeah. That's about 20 pounds.
That's
Both of
crazy.
them, which is crazy. Alright, so
Weight reduction.
we're gonna need. Is that a 10 or 12? I'm gonna lean with the 10.
It's both and neither at the same time.
It's whichever one fits at that point.
Get behind the hood so the wind doesn't blow on me. Yeah. So, let us know what you think. We're probably gonna put an RX-8 motor inside of this thing over here. So, let's see what we can do about it. I never knew when I came out of college I would have two not running Miatas in front of my girl. Both motors are out. I was like, I always wanted a Miata. No, but seriously, like we got two Miatas here, and they both look like Miata. Oh, leave that one alone. One of them looks like a Miata. The other one is being desecrated, and we have this thing here, which pretty much hasn't moved. All the seals are like done on it, and the window's always been open. There's definitely something living in there. That Powerade bottle's been there since we got the car. But if it runs and drive, it doesn't run and drive. It drives. Also, if you guys want to help with these projects at all, donate to that one. That one needs the most help. Yeah, we got it. Honestly, it runs and works it works if the battery is plugged in. The clutch needs to be bled, so it's always engaged.